Ever wondered how to create your own personalized bookmarks? Well, wonder no more. Today, we dive into the world of arts and crafts, and the project at hand is crafting your very own unique personalized bookmarks. It's a simple yet fun project that anyone can do, regardless of artistic ability. Now, gather around, for the journey begins. First off, we need to assemble our materials. You'll need some cardstock or heavy paper, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, some glue, and an assortment of decorating materials. This could be anything from stickers and glitter to a simple set of coloring pens. Step 1, measure out your bookmark. Using the ruler and pencil, mark out a rectangle on your cardstock. A good size is around 2 inches wide and 6 inches long, but feel free to adjust as you see fit. Step 2, cut out your bookmark. Using your scissors, carefully cut along the lines you've drawn. Always remember, safety first. Now, onto the fun part. Step 3, decorating. Unleash your creativity here. Use your colors, stickers, glitter, or whatever else you have to make your bookmark truly yours. Step 4, let it dry. If you've used glue or anything that might take a while to dry, be patient. Leave your bookmark to dry for a while. And finally, step 5, add a tassel. This is optional, but it adds a nice touch. You can make a simple tassel using some string and attach it to the top of your bookmark. And voila, there you have it, a simple 5-step process to creating your very own personalized bookmark. You've measured, cut, decorated, let it dry, and added a tassel. Now, every time you dive into a new book or return to an old favorite, you have a little piece of handmade craft, marking your place, adding a personal touch to your reading experience. Remember, the beauty of DIY and craft projects is that there's no right or wrong. It's all about expressing yourself, having fun, and creating something that's uniquely yours. So don't be afraid to experiment, mix things up, and most importantly, enjoy the process. And there you have it, a beginner-friendly DIY project that's not only functional, but also a great outlet for creativity. Happy crafting!